I'm Diane Rogers, and I'm the owner and operator of Dudu's Bakery. I've been here for 21 years now. We produce butter tarts, and I'm pretty serious and really passionate about making the best butter tart. And I've got a lot of validation and acknowledgement for that over the years. This year we've won Midland's Ontario's Best Butter Tart, and most recently we just won at the Royal Winter Fair, and we won Royal Grand Champion there, as well as we won first, second, and third place in the flavored division as well. So, and then on the Butter Tart Tour, we're on it, and we participate in their taste off every year, and we won Best Plain Butter Tart on the tour this year. Yeah, we won Best Gluten-Free on the Butter Tart Tour, the Kawarthas Butter Tart Tour. So I guess you could say this year's been kind of a grand slam for us, as we've got a really good butter tart here. Hi, I'm Diane, and this is Dudu's Bakery.